A random sample of 29 students were surveyed, and in the survey, they were asked how many text messages they received the previous day. And the histogram displays the data. So between 20 and 40, this is from 0 up to 40, but not including 40, all right? There was 10 people, okay? Or, yeah, 10 people said they got between 0 and 40 texts. So actually 0 to 39, if you want to think of it like that. Okay, then there were 6 students that said they got between 40 and 80 texts. Then 5 students, and so on. All right, so all these numbers are here. They're just the heights of these different bars. Okay, now what you can do is you can write out what percent these are. So this would be 10 out of 29. Okay, this would be 6 out of 29, and so on. 5 out of 29. Okay, 0 out of 29, and 4 out of 29. So that's what the percentages are of each one of these bars. Okay, so for example, the 10 out of 29 bar, 10 divided by 29. Okay, this is like the same as saying 34%. That's this right here. It's 10 out of 29, and that's roughly 34%. Okay, that's what this column does here. Now, the question's asking us for the median. The median is you want to find the cumulative frequency, and you're looking for the cumulative frequency that is 50%, because that's what the median is. It's halfway. So to get the cumulative frequencies, I just add these up as I go. All right, so this is 10 out of 29. And then when I add those, 10 out of 29 and 6 out of 29, I get 16 out of 29. And then I have 16 plus 5 out of 29. That's 21 over 29. And then 21 plus 4, that's 25 out of 29. 25 and 0, still 25 over 29. And then if I add 4 to this one, I get 29 out of 29, which adds up to 100%. Just like this over here adds up to this. When you add up all of these, you get 29 over 29, which is 100%. And you got the same thing over here, 100%. Okay, so the median is going to be at the 50th percent here. So if I change these into percentages, 10 divided by 29, this is about 34.5. Okay, so the next one, 16 divided by 29, that's 55%. So what that tells you is that the median is going to be inside of this interval. Because that interval holds up to 50. At the end of this interval, you're through 50 and a half, 55% of the data, which means the median falls in this interval. So the median would be captured in that second interval between 40 and 80 text messages. So B. 50% of the students are below that, and 50% of the students are above it.